Step 1. Open server settings. To get started, go to the upper left corner of your Discord window. Click on your server name, then select Server Settings. Step 2. Access integrations. Once inside server settings, navigate to Integrations in the left-hand menu. Under Webhooks, you'll see an option to create webhook. Note, webhooks can only be created using the desktop version of Discord, not the mobile app. Step 3. Create a webhook. Click on Create Webhook, and from here, give your webhook a name. Select the channel you want it to post in. Once done, click Save. Step 4. Send a message using the webhook. Now let me show you how to send a message using the webhook. Copy the webhook URL after saving. Visit discohook.org, a useful site for creating and sending embedded messages. Here's how to send a message. Paste your webhook URL in the webhook URL field. Enter your message, such as "Stop watching." The message will instantly appear in the selected Discord channel, as if a bot posted it. If you want to add an embed, you can customize it with a title, description, color, and more. Click Send to post the message. It will appear in your chosen Discord channel as if it were sent by a bot, complete with any embeds you added. And that's it. You've just created and used a Discord webhook. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.